Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your seat in a Mercedes C-Class. Achieving the perfect driving position is crucial for both comfort and safety on the road. We'll start by locating the primary seat controls, which are typically found on the door panel, shaped like a miniature seat. These controls allow for quick and easy adjustments to your seating position. Let's begin with the core adjustments. Use the main seat-shaped switch on the door panel to move the entire seat forward or backward, ensuring comfortable pedal access. Next, adjust the seat's height by pushing the switch up or down, optimizing your view of the road. Finally, tilt the backrest forward or backward to find your ideal driving posture, promoting long-term comfort. Now, let's enhance your back and neck support. Utilize the four-way lumbar buttons to adjust the backrest contour, providing personalized support for your lower back. For the headrest, raise or lower it so the center aligns with your eye level. Some models also allow you to move the headrest forward or backward, ensuring it's close to your head for maximum safety. Many C-Class models offer advanced features like seat cushion extension. Simply slide the front section forward for extra thigh support. To save your perfect setup, press the M button on the door panel, then immediately press a numbered button, like 1, within 3 seconds. To recall your saved position, just press the corresponding numbered button and your seat will adjust automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.